Hello Gilly.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Yes, my name's Max Choi and I'm the recruitment officer here in HR, okay. And you got my email okay, did you?
Yes.
Good, that's great, yeah. So as the email explained, this is just an opportunity to give you feedback on the test that you completed as part of the operative recruitment really.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how I did.
It's going to last about 10 minutes really, and it is confidential. And I've got some paper and a pen here just for you to make some notes really. Is that okay? Yeah. Good. Now, before I get started, was there anything in particular you wanted to get out of this session?
Well, I found the numerical test really difficult, so
right, yes.
I want to know how I did with that really.
Yeah, okay, yeah, we'll cover that particular point. Anything else that you'd like to discuss?
Well, I didn't have time to finish either of the tests, so I think I probably needed to speed up a bit. I think I might have been a bit slow. Yeah,
okay, and again we look at that detail. But first of all, I'll just explain to you a bit more about these tests that you took. Yes, good, okay. Now, the first test is a numerical reasoning test, and that test looks at your ability to handle numbers and to deal with numbers and to make sure you can do the appropriate and accurate calculations, okay. Now, the second test is the mechanical comprehension test, so that looks at your ability to understand and deal with mechanical principles, really. So you might recall those questions in the test booklet with pulleys, levers, do you remember that? So on, good. Now, we make sense of the test scores by comparing your score against a large group of candidates who have also taken the test, and these will be candidates applying for operative positions within engineering. Okay, good. Now, just focusing on the first test and the numerical test, you indicated that you found a bit of difficulty there.
Yes, I'm not that comfortable with numbers, to be honest, and it's been a long time since I sat an exam like that, so I think it probably took a bit of time to warm up and was a bit rusty really. Okay,
well, let's have a look at your results then. So now you got 10 questions correct, okay, and you attempted 17. And just to remind you, the test had a total of 25 questions.
All right,
okay. So when we compare your results against the comparison group, you did better than 12% of that group. Yeah, how do you feel about that?
A bit disappointed really, 12%. I know I hadn't done very well, but I hoped I might have done a bit better than that.
Sure.
I suppose I failed then.
Well, there's no pass or fail as such, okay. What we do is we take all the selection process into account.
But it does count, so how could I improve?
Well, this test measures underlying numerical skills, okay, for this particular role. Do you have any ideas on what you could do, perhaps, to just get a better handle on numbers?
I don't really know. I don't use numbers much in my work. Have you got any advice?
Well, look at your test scores and just pick up what you're saying. Relating to being a bit rusty. I can give you some ideas that might help, okay. I think one of the key things is to try to use numbers and do calculations on a daily basis, both at work and also outside work really. So for example, when you go and fill your car with petrol, just try to work out how many litres you can buy for £50 for example.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Can you think of any other things like that you could do?
No, I don't know, sorry.
Yeah, well, for example, when you go shopping, at the supermarket, just think of, can you think of anything you might can do there?
Well, I suppose when I buy a pack of 6 of something, I could work out how much each one is and what the saving is.
Yeah, very good, that's it, you got it. So just, think of number of things you can do when you're going shopping, you see, okay?
Okay.
And try to do that on a daily basis.
Right.
Yeah. The test publishers also provide some practice questions on their website, and you can quite easily just Google, just do a Google search really for things like that. Really.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll have a look on the internet, looking at the test results. I think I need to increase my speed and be more accurate.
Well, yes, both are important, and the things we discuss might help you really. Okay. Do you have any other questions about this test?
No, I think that covers it, I think.
Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at your mechanical comprehension test.
Okay.
And how do you think you got on there?
Well, I quite like mechanical stuff, so I think I did better on that test. but again, I didn't finish it. I'm not really sure how I did.
Right, okay, yeah. So let's have a look at your results, okay. You got 19 questions correct.
Okay.
And you attempted 26, and there's a total 36 questions. When we compare you against the comparison group, you did better than 66%.
Oh, right.
Yeah, what are your thoughts on that then?
Oh, well, that makes up for the numerical a bit. I'm quite pleased with that score. 66%, I'm obviously sort of well above average there.
Right, your score's actually still within the average band. However, it is at the higher end of the average band, and this would link with your comments about liking mechanical things.
But I was still quite slow. I think if I'd got more of them completed, I would have done even better.
Well, you completed 26 out of the 36 questions, and both speed and accuracy are important. Do you have any other questions relating to this test?
No, I don't think so. I think I felt more comfortable with that test, and the tips you've given me on how to improve my numerical, I think they'll be a help. So with a bit of luck, if I do it again next time, I'll get a better score.
Yeah, good. Okay, yeah. Any other questions?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, well, great. So, well, thanks for your time today, and hope you got something useful out of it.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.